Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this cute quilling bird. Yes, this is completely handmade and this is completely made out of paper. So I have added lots of coils to create this cute bird and I have created total 2 birds. Isn't it looking super cute? So let's get started. For this we need some 2 mm quilling strips. You can also use 3 mm. Quilling tool, paintbrush, scissor, liquid glue, orange, blue and white color acrylic shades, 1 white color paper, quilling mold and some 3 mm and 5 mm strips. First I am starting with making one big coil. For this I am taking 6 strips of 3 mm and making one big tight coil. Here you can use any color of strips because anyways we are going to color it later. So you can complete your unused strips in this way. So coil is ready. In the same way I have created 2 more coils. This coil is made using 9 strips of 3 mm. And this coil is made using 9 strips of 5 mm. So in total we need 3 coils. Now I will shape my all 3 coils. So I am using my quilling mold and one of them I will shape it using my fingers. Now I'm just adding glue inside each dome and spreading it using my brush. Then I am attaching these 2 domes with each other. This will be the body of bird. And to join it perfectly from the center I am wrapping one more 5 mm strips around this center part. Then I am adding face with the body like this. Now I am taking some small pieces of tissue paper and I will do little paper mache work on this bird to make it more sturdy and little smooth. So I am just taking a little mixture of glue and water and applying it using my brush and adding some small pieces of tissue paper here and there. allow it to dry completely for some time. So it's dried. Now I'm just coloring it using white color. Here I'm using white gesso, but you can use white acrylic color, white poster color, anything which you have. Like this. So it's completely dried. Now I'm taking my blue orange acrylic colors and I will just color my bird. So for the face portion or head portion I am using blue shade, and for the back side of body I am using orange color. So after coloring the bird, it should look like this. Now keep it aside for some time. Now I am showing you how to create these small shapes. So I am taking 2 mm strips for my whole project to decorate the bird. But if you don't have 2 mm, you can create thin strip at your home. Just take 3 mm strip and cut from the center like here I am doing. And you will get this beautiful thin strip. You need to work little hard for this, but you will get a beautiful result as well. And if you don't want to do this, you can also use 3 mm strips. So here I am taking 1/6 strip of blue color and making one small teardrop shape. These are very tiny shapes, so you have to be very careful. In this way I have created in orange and white and black. So in total we need 80 blue teardrops, 120 orange teardrops, 60 white teardrops and 6 black teardrops. Now take back your bird and on the head part I will connect 6 black teardrops first. Like this. Now I will cover this whole blue portion using blue color teardrops. So complete this till the end. So after adding all the blue teardrops, it will look like this. Don't add teardrops on this back side because on this part I will add the tail wing. Now to create beak, I am taking half strip of brown color and making one tight triangle shape. Like this. In the same way, I have already prepared one more triangle. Now I will connect the beak. Like this. Super cute. Now I am starting with the white teardrops. So just fill this white area using this shape. Complete this portion. So after adding white teardrops, it will look like this. Now I'm starting with the orange area. So just add all these orange teardrops on both sides of the body and fill it completely. So just finish it. So after adding this orange shape, our bird is ready. It's completely covered. Now to create wings, I'm just drawing wing shape on white color sheet, which is approx 5 cm in height. This is the largest wing I am creating. All other wings are smaller than this. So I have already cut one wing and I will show you how to color it. For this I am using soft pastel in light orange and dark orange shade. Just apply it using your fingers like this. I am doing it from both the sides. Now take your scissors and cut small fringes all around this wing. Like this. I have already prepared this size. So I am taking 3 wings for back side and 3 wings for both the sides. First I am adding 3 largest one on the back to create tail. And then I am adding these 3 small on left and right sides. Like this. So this is done. Now I have applied little blue shade on the tip also, just to match the color with the body. And I have also created small eyes using half semicircle of white color, and I have just added 2 black circles on this. So our cute bird is ready. Now I will show you how to create legs. For this I am taking half strip of brown color and making one teardrop shape first. Like this. Now just hold the tip and push it like this. So you will get 3 fingers on the top. Like this. In the same way I have created one more leg. So just attach both the legs in the bottom. And bird is ready. In the same way I have created one more bird. The whole procedure is same. Stay tuned for second part where I will show you how to create the cute home for these birds. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.